Same object, different units. Smaller units give more. Units must match.
Welcome to the Read Measure Marsh at dawn. That golden Shiba Inu is Kit, our guide to the numbers hidden in the wild, and waiting in the background is Wren, a great blue heron. Today, Wren has a very specific job to do. She is going to measure the exact same marsh reed in two completely different ways. To do this, she brought two painted rulers. One ruler is divided into short units, marked by many small, close-together ticks. The second ruler is divided into long units, marked by a few large, widely spaced ticks. If Wren measures a physical reed that never grows or shrinks, we expect the measurement to stay the same. But here, the number will change. Understanding why means looking away from the plant itself and focusing entirely on the tools used to measure it. This animated diagram shows Wren's first measurement. She lays the short unit ruler straight along the vertical reed, aligning the bottom exactly with the 0 mark. Following the ruler up, the measurement lands precisely on the number 12. Because the short ruler uses such small intervals, it takes 12 of these units to span the length of the reed from bottom to top. Now, Wren swaps her tools for the long unit ruler. She places it against the identical reed, starting again at the 0 mark. Looking at the top this time, the measurement lands on the number 6. The reed is both 12 short units long and 6 long units long. The choice of tool changed the final count. To see if this relationship holds for other objects, Wren finds a fallen feather and prepares to measure it both ways. This diagram shows the feather aligned at the 0 mark of the short unit ruler. Checking the far tip, the measurement reads 8. The feather requires 8 short units to cover its full length. When we swap to the long unit ruler, as shown here, the measurement at the tip now reads 4. The identical feather now requires only 4 long units. 8 short units versus 4 long units. The gap between the two numbers is consistent, regardless of the object. Measuring with a smaller unit results in a bigger number, while measuring with a longer unit results in a smaller number. When we place both rulers directly next to each other at the 0 mark, the reason for the different counts becomes clear. One single interval on the long ruler physically covers the same distance as 2 intervals on the short ruler. A larger unit covers more ground with every step, so you need fewer of them to reach the end of an object. The physical size of the reed and the feather never changed. Only the units Wren chose to measure them changed. This leads to a reliable rule. Smaller unit, more units. Longer unit, fewer units. The morning work in the marsh is complete, and Kit trots off along the water's edge as the dawnlight spreads. Before you go, consider this. If you measure a new twig with short units and get a very large number, will swapping to long units make the resulting number bigger or smaller, and why?
Choose 1 unit. Count equal steps. Compare the counts.